Welcome to Little John's Yards. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the I-cord. We're going to begin with a slip knot. Insert your hook. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to be working into the second and third chain from the hook. Insert your crochet hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 2 loops on your hook. Insert it into the third chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook. Here comes the tricky part. We're going to be removing our crochet hook from loop 1 and 2. But just hold on to the bottom. Can you see where my thumb is? Hold on to the bottom real tight so you don't lose your loops. So remove your crochet hook. Okay, I have 1 loop on my hook. Yarn over and pull through. Insert it into that second loop. Yarn over and just pull through that 1 loop. Now insert into the third last loop. Yarn over and just pull through that loop. And you'll still have 3 loops on your hook. Let's do that one more time. Remove your crochet hook from loops 1 and 2 and hold tight. Yarn over and pull through that first loop. Insert into the second loose loop. Yarn over and just pull through that loop. Now insert into that third loop. Yarn over and pull through that loop. You'll always have those 3 loops left on your hook. I'll show you one last time. Remember, remove from the first 2 loops and hold on tight so you don't lose your spacing. Yarn over, pull through the first one, go into your second loop, yarn over and just pull through that one. Now go into your third loop, yarn over and pull through that loop. You're going to repeat this over and over again. Alright, so you can pause your video here and make it as long as you need, and I'll show you how to finish off your I-cord. Okay, I made my I-cord a little bit longer, and I'm going to show you how to finish it off. Alright, remember you have your last 3 loops on your hook. All you're going to do is yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And do a little yarn over one more time and fasten off your work. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you check out my other crochet tutorials, and I'll see you on the very next video. Bye guys.